I can't take it anymore. I'm just gonna call Rockstar. Wish me luck. Alright. Hello?
Rockstar Garage.
Yeah, hey, I heard you guys are selling, a little extra horsepower.
You got a S2000?
Yeah. Did I call the right person?
You got any money?
No, I don't have money. Well, I got a little bit.
I think we might have some.
Okay.
70mm test pipe.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Really?
But yeah, dude.
Alright. Well, I'm glad I called. You guys wouldn't happen to have a high flow cat too, would you?
Yeah, what size?
Test pipes and high flow cats? Can I tell my friends?
Sure, if you got any.
Alright. When can I come by?
Right now.
Really? Do you guys do installs?
Absolutely.
Nice. Alright, cool. Alright.
What's wrong, man? You sound down.
Oh, yeah, I don't know, man. I just want to free up some horsepower, man. Just a little bit. I totally know what you mean, man. Yeah, if you want me, I could tell you all about these test pipes. That is if you want to become a rock star. That'll get me closer to being a rock star?
Yep.
Yeah, right on, rock on. Can you see this?
Giving me the horns?
Fuck yeah, right on. You do want to become a rock star, don't you?
I think I'm gonna have to ask my mom.
Sit, bruh. Test pipes, high flow cats. Sit.